Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a group invitation on LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable in-app notifications for group invitations on LinkedIn using your PC, based on the latest update. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section lets you control what types of alerts you receive from LinkedIn. Now, scroll down until you find the Groups category. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll see several toggles for different types of group notifications. Look for the one labeled Group Invitations. To start receiving in-app notifications for group invitations, simply switch the toggle next to Group Invitations to the On position. When this is enabled, LinkedIn will notify you directly within the app whenever you receive a new group invitation. So you never miss an opportunity to join a relevant conversation or network with like-minded professionals. That's all it takes. You can also review other notification settings in this section to customize your LinkedIn experience even further. Remember, you can always return to this menu if you want to adjust your preferences in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Stay connected and make the most out of your LinkedIn groups.